Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Wouldn't you agree that when you go camping, it's so important to have good light, but also to be able to zap bugs? Well, I would because we just came back from a 7-day camping trip and I use these lanterns from SUPOLOGY every single night. It has so many different light modes. It has a flashlight and a lantern, and it also has bug zapping capabilities, which I just love. It came in so handy when I was using the vault toilets at the campsite because there wasn't any light. And also, you know how those things are, they have a ton of bugs inside. So I would turn it on, place it on the hook by the door so I could still have enough light, but it also would attract the mosquitoes and flies and other things that might be bothering me while I'm using the bathroom. We love to use it in our tent or just out on the camping table while we were playing cards because it helped to keep the mosquitoes away. It also has a really long battery life and comes with a charging cord so that you can easily recharge it. But we used it the whole camping trip and I haven't had to recharge it yet. I also think it's cool that there's a glow in the dark feature with the lantern section. So even after you turn out the light, there is a little bit of illumination in the tent. That'd be really nice for kids as a kind of a little light if they need that. We really liked having these lanterns on our camping trip. They were so useful, and that's our point of view.